I'm Dante with Drive and Thrive, and this is the top 15 accessories for rideshare drivers. Get a 5-star rating with the rideshare driver sign. It encourages passengers to leave a 5-star rating and encourages tips, while at the same time letting them know that if they need the heat adjusted or their phone charged, that you're here to help. It's really easy to install and pretty cheap, so I definitely recommend this as one of the first accessories you buy. Having a clean car is one of the most important factors in receiving 5 stars. And with this handy vacuum, you are able to keep your car clean, and it's really small, easy. You can get into all the nooks and crannies. Even if you weren't a rideshare driver, you should buy one of these. But specifically for rideshare drivers, this thing is amazing. Keep your car clean and buy this accessory. This 4-prong charging cable will have Android and iPhone users covered. So if your passenger needs to charge their phone, you will have the right cable handy, and this will go a long way to helping you receive 5 stars. This USB car charger allows you to charge 5 devices at one time, which is really helpful if you have multiple passengers or if you need to charge your phone as well as your passenger's phone. So this is very handy and it's pretty cheap, so you should pick one up. A good way to get a 5-star rating is to provide snacks and drinks, and this organizer helps to store something to drink and some snacks, and also a place for passengers to hold their iPad or phone, so it's really handy. Every driver should have a dash cam. It protects against accidents or false claims from passengers. It just gives you a bit more security while you'll drive. This one in particular is awesome because not only does it record the road, but it records the interior as well. So you can record the actions of anything that happens in the back. If anyone does anything crazy, it provides a really awesome security blanket for you as a driver. And this is a fairly cheap one, 1080p. I definitely recommend it. I like to use my phone as my GPS, and I definitely like it to be hands-free. So this little device is a magnet that you can put anywhere on your dashboard. You can mount it any way you want. It's super cheap, very convenient, and highly recommended. An Uber sticker is nice, but an Uber light, oh my gosh, that is just fancy. Do you need it? No. But is it cool? Oh yes. And it comes in multiple colors. Now this you definitely need. If you ever have had to clean up someone else's puke in the back of your Uber car, you'll never want to do that again. So provide these handy bags for drunk passengers late at night. Trust me, it's going to save a lot of time and it's going to make your car smell a whole lot better. This handy trash bin for the back seat really can help keep your car clean. It can avoid spills and it can allow your passengers to throw away garbage pretty easily in the back seat without having to wonder what to do with certain objects. So it's leak proof and it can definitely help keep your car clean. Keep your mats cleaned regularly, and if necessary, go ahead and replace them with this awesome, very tough and rugged mats that can protect your cars against any kind of weather, any kind of spills, and they're pretty cheap also, so give this a shot. This is a handy attachment that for purses or coats in the wintertime. It's actually a clothesline that you can put right on the back seat, so it can keep women's purses from being on the ground. Really awesome. Something every Uber driver should have is a way to track their mileage, their gas usage, their maintenance, etc. And with this tool, you can actually see all of your maintenance requirements. You can track your miles. You can look at your driving habits. It can help save you money in the long run and help you come tax time. Definitely pick this one up. Keep track of your gas expenditure and any food you spend on lunch with this handy receipt holder. Be prepared come tax time. You'll thank me for it and you'll save a lot of money. Now, if you want to take it to the next level, this is really out there. You can actually have a scrolling digital sign that you can write anything you want on there, including your passenger's name or that you're their Uber driver or whatever you want. Be creative. It can go a long way to helping passengers discover your car on a crowded night with a lot of cars, and it's really cool. You know, give it a shot. Well, that's all for this video. Make sure to hit a like and subscribe, and leave a comment below if you enjoyed it, and use my Amazon links to buy these awesome accessories. And remember to drive and thrive.